Good evening. My name is Pooja Subhash Patil. Today's date is 19th November 2021. Topic name is Java and its features. Java is a programming language. Java programming language developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems. It is released 1995. Java is a programming language. It is widely used in programming language. Java programming language designed to distributed environment to the internet. Java programming language is high level and object oriented language. Java programming language is a widely used as compared to another languages. Some applications of Java programming language: mobile applications, enterprise applications, and so on. Then features of Java: simple, robust, object oriented, platform independence, secure, dynamic, multi-thread, high performance, and so on. First one is a simple. According to Java programming language, according to Sun Microsystems, Java programming language is a simple language because Java programming language is simple syntax as compared to another languages. Java programming language is easy to learn. Java programming language are used in garbage collection. Then object oriented. Object oriented is used in a Java programming language. Some basic concept of Java programming language is class, object, inheritance, abstraction, and encapsulation. Then platform, then independent platform. Independent platform are used in Java programming language. Secure. Java programming language is secure and virus-free language. Robust. The English meaning of robust is strong. The Java programming language is robust as compared to other management languages. Dynamic. Java programming language is a dynamic programming language. Thank you.